Hey there, good afternoon, Merry Christmas to you. This is December 26th, day after Christmas. Um, got a got a new vise here I'm going to open up and we're going to mount it to our workbench here today. And trying to do a little odds and ends to this bench, get it ready for enclosing all of it. I've got some drawer slides coming that I'm going to be making some drawers in it to put little compartments and stuff that I've got. For little parts, screws, and bolts and stuff like that. I'm going to make a little drawers for those to go in and be able to slide them out and keep them out of the way. But we'll unbox this thing here and see what it looks like. And it looks like a pretty good vise. I have been looking at them over there for a while at Harbor Freight. It's made by Doyle. It's a 7-inch Carpenter's vise. It's made for woodworking. So let's open this dude up. I've already cut the bottom of the box and open it up and get her out here and see what she looks like. In case you're wondering, that's what they look like in the box if you're interested in getting one of them. Like I said, they got them over at Harbor Freight. It's pretty good looking little vise from what I can tell. I'm always taking wood clamps and trying to clamp pieces of wood to the bottom of the table here and cut it. It's heavy, that's for sure. Looks like we'll put a couple of screws in here and here. And of course we'll put some wood here and we'll run them screws on into the face of it. We're going to mount it on the other side. And give her just a few minutes and we'll get you set up on the other side of the table and we'll start mounting this thing. Something I was just noticing here when I brought it around to the other side of the table is this little handle right here. I thought, what is that? And it looks like it's a quick release. You can, as you're move it in or tighten it up, whichever. I thought that's pretty neat. Somebody did some thinking there. But once you get it close where you want it, just slide that up there and then you can tighten it on up to where you ain't sit there turning and doing a lot of screwing. But that's pretty thoughtful. Alright, I got to look at this thing. The way I've made this bench, it's 2x4 with with a 1x4 on each side of it, sandwiched together, glued together with screws in it. But I wanted something good and flat and heavy, so I went ahead and cut me a 2x4 here. And I'm going to fasten to the bottom of this, and that way give me a template. Go ahead and give me my screw holes in. We can go ahead and drill those out and have them marked, and I can get 2 screws back here since it's got these slide-in pieces here, and I can go ahead and get the lag bolt started into that, and then it won't be so hard because this thing is heavy, I tell you that. I bet it weighs 25-30 pounds. Something like that. It's pretty heavy. When you're down on your hands and knees trying to put it up under there, it's going to be rough, so I better just do that. And let me get this flipped over here and mark it out, and we will get it mounted up underneath there and go from there. Let's see, I got a better marker for that. Alright, I got my little markers here. I found these on Amazon. They come in a pack of 4. You got a red, black, blue, and a white. And they're perfect for mounting. Get this little fine point. It looks like a pocket screwdriver, but it's a marker. And they're just right for marking in holes. They can there just mark that out. Well, that white didn't mark too good on there, but you can kind of see the imprint what it is there. Maybe because this board's dirty. I use this old dirty board, but I'm trying to use up some of this scrap wood I got laying around here. Alright, let me get these holes drilled and get this mounted up out there and we'll go from there. Alright, here I go again, talking about having to use my clamps to the table, so just to drill these holes. But that's all fixing the end. put a few little ones across there. I'm gonna run some wood screws, just regular old wood screws up through there to hold it in the middle there to get that up under there. Alright, let me get you lowered down here. We'll get this thing mounted up on the bottom. Alright, I think I got you where you can see here now. We'll get this 2x4 here, make sure I got the right way. Get it clamped up here. Screws into this. Got our board mounted. Now we get our other screws into here and here, and we should be good to go. Grab the drill. Let's get this bad boy up here. Looking good so far.